may kainan dyan. Just a little more time is all we're asking for. Just a little more time would open closing doors. Just a little uncertainty can bring you down. And nobody wants to know you now, and nobody wants to show you how. So if you're lost and on your own, you can never surrender. And if your path will lead you home, you can never surrender. And when the night is cold and dark, you can see light. 'Cause no one can take away your right to fight and to never surrender. Okay po, brother. Go lang. With a little perseverance, you can get things done. Without that line of hearing that has conquered some. And nobody wants to know you now, and nobody wants to show you how. So if you're lost and on your own, you can never surrender. And if your path will lead you home, you can never surrender. And when the night is cold and dark, you can see light. 'Cause no one can take away your right to fight and to never surrender, to never surrender. Thank you, Ma'am Nora Talagtag. Shout out po. Salamat. Good morning, Ma'am Norma Rapul. Good morning. And when the night is cold and dark, you can see light. 'Cause no one can take away your right to fight and to never surrender, to never surrender. Oh, time is all we're asking for, to never surrender. Oh, you can never surrender. Time is all you're asking for. You're trying to never surrender. Ika na, balik-balik na yun. Ayan
Hello,
lang.
ma'am. Thank you. Thank you po sa lahat na nandito sa live niyo pa. Ayan, this song is for everybody. Salamat sa aking Panginoong Jesus. Ako'y inibig mo at inangking lubos. Ang tanging alay ko sa'yo, aking Ama, ang buong buhay ko, puso at kaluluwa, hindi makaya ng mapagkaloob. Mamahaling hiyas, ni gintong nilubog, ang aking dalangin, O Diyos, ay tanggapin. Ang tanging alay ko, nawa ay gamitin. Ito lamang, Ama, wala nang iba pa akong hinihiling. Shout out sa iyo, Ma'am Ronald, Sir Ronaldo. Di ko akalain. Ronaldo Loveno, pansin ang taong tulad ko ay dapat mahalin. Ang tanging alay ko sa'yo, aking Ama, ang buong buhay ko, puso at kaluluwa, hindi makaya ng mapagkaloob. Mamahaling hiyas, ni gintong nilubog, ang aking dalangin, O Diyos, ay tanggapin. Tanging alay ko, nawa ay gamitin. Ito lamang, Ama, wala nang iba pa akong hinihiling. Ang aking hinihintay, ang iyong pagbabalik, Jesus. Ang makapiling mo'y kagalak ang lubos. Hi, Ma'am Marcel. Tanging alay ko sa'yo, aking Ama, ang buong buhay ko, puso at kaluluwa, hindi makaya ng mapagkaloob. Mamahaling hiyas, ni gintong nilubog, ang aking dalangin, O Diyos, ay tanggapin. Ang tanging alay ko, nawa ay gamitin. Ito lamang, Ama, wala nang iba pa akong hinihiling. Ito lamang, Ama, wala nang iba pa akong hinihiling. Ito lamang, Ama, wala nang iba pa akong hinihiling. Ayan, thank you, God. Thank you so much for everything. And good morning everyone. Good morning sa Pilipinas. Good evening po sa amin dito. Yan. Good morning, Ma'am Maricel B. Flores. Good morning. Ma'am Nem Paimbang, good morning. Thank you sa
Hello,
inyong
hello,
lahat
hello.
dyan.
Shout out dyan. Ma'am Maricel P. Flores, good morning po.
Ronaldo
Lubino, shout out, Ronaldo Lubino. In sa ating Never Been Touched, din Paimbang.
Yan, thank you so much. Hello, Ma'am and Sir. Good morning dito sa Pinas. Ayan. Good morning, Ma'am Nympha. Good morning, good morning.
Siya na, ako? Oo, ako na ba? Okay, ayan. Ano daw? Good morning sa lahat. Hello, ma'am. Good morning dito. Uy, good evening na po. Ayan.
Top Hits Karaoke.
Kung ano na lang sana sumunod na yun. Sakit talaga ulo ko. May sunburn. Mayroong lungkot sa iyong mga mata at kay bigat ng iyong dinadala. Kahit di mo man sabihin, paghihirap mo'y nadarama ko rin. Narito ang mga palad ko, hanggang dumamay kung kailangan mo. Asahan mong mayroon kang kaibigan, laging tapat sa'yo. At kung kailangan mo ako sa oras ng iyong pag-iisa, kung naninimdim, asahan mong ako ay darating. Kung kailangan mo ako sa sandaling bigo ng lahat, pusong kay tamis, kailan may di kita matitiis. Sa sandaling kailangan mo ako. Narito ang mga palad ko, handang dumamay kung kailangan mo. Asahan mong mayroon kang kaibigan, laging tapat sa'yo. At kung kailangan mo ako sa oras ng iyong pag-iisa, kung naninimdim, asahan mong ako ay darating. Kung kailangan mo ako sa sandaling bigo ng lahat, pusong kay tamis, kailan may di kita matitiis. Sa sandaling kailangan mo ako. Yan, shout out dyan sa ating Diamond Star, Marcel B. Flores, Ronaldo Lubino, Ma'am Ganda, Maria Lourdes. Ganda. Ayan, thank you, thank you. Next.
Ayan guys, good morning. Thank you po sa lahat ng mga nandito. Thank you so much. And this song is for everybody. Kahit ano na to, bahala na si Batman. Ay, Ma'am Maricel de Flores. Ma'am Maria Lourdes Galvez Arganda, good morning. Ang babaeng pinakamasipag sa buong mundo. Sana'y wala ng wakas kung pag-ibig ay wagas. Paglalambing sa iyong piling ay ligaya kung walang kahambing. Kung di malimot ng tadhana, bigyang mundo kang aking ligaya. Walang hanggan ay hahamakin, agad walang katapusan, kitang iibigin. Kahit kailang tinig ay kaya kong tapakan, kung yan ang paraan upang landas mo'y masundan. Kahit ilang ulit ako'y iyong saktan, hindi kita maaaring iwanan. Kahit ilang awit ay aking aawitin, hanggang ang himig ko'y maging himig mo na rin. Kahit ilang dagat ang dapat tawid, higit pa riyan. Ang inyo pa. Kape po tayo. Enjoy your coffee, ma'am. Ayan, thank you for being part sa among kagabion. Thank you for being have fun sa aming Friday singagong. Friday pa ba tayo?
Friday.
Friday
night.
Yeah, and thank you for being part of our
Friday night, 9 o'clock.
Singagong.
PM. Okay. Practice lang tayo. Shout out dyan sa lahat. Salamat po. Ronaldo Lubino. Ma'am Maria Lourdes. Thank you. Magsisi na hindi ko nasabi habang ang puso mo ay wala pang may-ari. Nais kong mabuksan pinto ng iyong puso para sa'yo. Gagawin ang lahat, makamit lamang ang pag-ibig mo. Kung ikaw akin sa aking tabi, nais ko'y mayakap ka bawat araw at gabi. Aaminin ko na rin na ako'y may pagtingin. Huwag ka sanang mainis kung masyadong mabilis. Wala naman akong masamang intensyon sa'yo. Nais ko lang man ang kunting atensyon mo. At tanging hangad ko lang ang iyong kaligayahan, hindi magbabago, magpakailanman. Nais kong mabuksan pinto ng iyong puso para sa'yo. Gagawin ang lahat, makamit lamang ang pag-ibig mo. Kung ika'y akin dito sa aking tabi, nais kong mayakap ka bawat araw at gabi. Aaminin ko na rin na ako'y may pagtingin. Huwag ka sanang mainis kung masyadong mabilis. Oh yeah! Ayan, sayahon na Mama Rizal Victorious. Well now, this is what is on my mind. I think we're gonna make you cry. Di kita iiwan habang buhay. I just wanna make you mine. I will love you day and night. This is for real, no lie until I die. Kung ikaw akin dito ka sa aking tabi, nais kong mayakap ka bawat araw at gabi. Aaminin ko na rin na ako'y may pagtingin. Huwag ka sanang mainis kung masyadong mabilis. Kung kaya akin dito ka sa aking tabi, nais kong mayakap ka bawat araw at gabi. Aaminin ko na rin na ako'y may pagtingin. Huwag ka sanang mainis kung masyadong mabilis. Hello, J. Rossi, Natasha.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Ayan, guys. Anong request mo, Natasha?
Oh,
Anong gusto mo? Usukan kita?
naglalaway pa yan.
O usukan kita dyan, day. Ayan, pirahan kita, daya. Kantahan kita ng usok para tatayo ka na.
Ginigising mo yung tulog.
Ayan, the song is for everybody. Badia.
Ayan, shout out dyan, J. Natasha, J. Rossi, Ma'am Maricel de Flores.
Isip mo'y unti-unting nawawala, nalilito. Ang tulad mo'y parang usok, unti-unting naglalaho. Tanging hiling ko lang sa'yo, nakaraan ay tanggapin. Ang ngayon ay harapin, ang bukas mo'y darating pa. Kaya't wag sanang damdamin, pagkat to'y payo lamang mula sa aking kaibigan na sa'yo'y nagmamahal. Huwag mong sayangin ang panahon, pagkat ito'y may hangganan. Buksan mo ang pintuan kasama ng iyong puso. Tinangay na ng hangin ang masamang panaginip, at bigyan mo ng puwang ang puso mong nalulumbay.
Hello, shout out dyan, YT, Carissa, Aswang BF. Good evening po, good morning, kung saan man kayo.
Kaya't huwag sanang damdamin, pagkat to'y payo lamang mula sa aking kaibigan na sa'yo'y nagmamahal. Huwag mong sayangin ng panahon, pagkat ito'y may hangganan. Buksan mo ang pintuan kasama ng iyong puso. Na ng hangin ang masamang panaginip, kaya't bigyan mo ng puwang ang puso mong nalulumbay. Isip ko'y unti-unting nawawala, nalilito. Ang tulad mo'y parang usok, unti-unting naglalaho. Salamat!
Ayan, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.
Ayan, thank you.
Huwag ka na kasi magsalita ng nagkanta ako. Masakit ang tainga ko.
Kalimutan ko, ipalayo ko pala. Oy, malakas daw boses ko. Ayan, shout out sa YT, Carissa May, Aswang Kabiip. Wow. Shout out po.
Ayan, thank you. Talang asawa ko no. Pikon. May ano na kasi itong tenga ko, may butas na.
Iwan ko sa tinga niya.
Sana lahat ng butas sa ilong na lang, hindi sa tinga.
Uy, wag naman.
May butas na kasi
Hello,
itong
Ma'am
tenga ko,
Flora
eh.
Pitugo Dayday.
Kaya
Shout out
inigana.
po, Ma'am Flora Pitugo Dayday. Para yung apelido, ano eh.
Hello,
Kabisado,
Ma'am Flora.
kabisado.
Day.
Good morning po, good morning, good evening here. Shout out dyan, Flora Pitugo Dayday.
Wala na namang internet, oh. Tingnan mo. Kiabat na naman, oh. Sabi ko nga kasi sa'yo, palit tayo, eh.
Sunod, palitan natin.
Kiabat talaga ito aking computer.
Ayan, taga saan kaya to si Ma'am Flora Pitugo
Ay,
Dayday?
thank you sa inyong lahat, guys. Thank you. Ang aking computer na wala naman ang... Kanta ka na lang.
Babalik din yan.
Kanta ka.
Basta hanapin mo lang yung ano.
Nga, lagyan, yan nga.
Okay.
Thank you po.
Mag-practice tayo dito ng mga kanta hindi pa natin kinanta.
Good evening, guys.
Ayan! Ulala! Shout out sa lahat dyan. Thank you, salamat sa mga dumating. At good morning sa lahat. Kung nasa Pinas at ibang lugar kayo na morning pa. Kumusta ka, aking mahal? Sana ay nasa mabuti ka. Uy, huwag mong intindihin. Nakakaraos din. Mga gabing mabanglaw ay dinadaan sa awitin. Lulungkot kong damdamin, naaaliw na rin. Panaginip ko'y laging ikaw, sinta. Kahit na dilat ka ring mata, kahit na malayo ka'y para ring kapiling ka. Mahal, kumusta ka? Oh, at sana magising ka, Ma'am Maria Lourdes. Malalim itong gabi, malamig ang simoy ng hangin. Kung mayayakap lamang kita, lamig ay di madadama. Panaginip ko'y laging ikaw, sinta. Kahit na dilat ka ring mata, kahit na malayo ka'y para ring kapiling ka. Mahal, kumusta ka? Kumusta ka, aking mahal? Sana ay nasa mabuti ka. Uy, huwag mong intindihin. Nakakaraos din. Kumusta ka, aking mahal? Ayan, guys. Thank you.
Minsan mo lang lambada. Nag-request si Ma'am Lourdes. Lambada.
Lambada. Ganun, sayaw lang yan eh. Sayaw ka ng lambada. Pumatong ka dito. Gusto ni Ma'am Maria Lourdes, sasayaw ka. Ayan, sige, kantahin natin. Ayan, guys, si Ma'am Maria Lourdes naman mag-request, oh.
Magkanta mo nga.
what ko Spanish ako. Ay.
Wala, ma'am. Gadiday.
So, wala ka eh. Ikaw talaga. Chorando si Poy Moya Dia si Pesorar. Chorando si Poy Dia si Mitis Chorar. Chorando estará lembrar de amor que día na sobre ciudad. Llorando estará lembrar de amor de día na niyo sobre ciudad. Recorda kau bias dar kilig ako di por. Recorda kau vai estar para siempre. Dat kasalimar, yulnar, o amor faz perder encontrar. Lambado estoy en un bar temor, porque día es tan tipo y rey. Recorda kau. Ma'am Maria Lourdes, pinasuwa.
Ayan, hap lang. Ayan, salamat ng Lord.
Oh, lala.
Ayan, this song is Forever Baday. Ayan, salamat sa pag-tune in, Ma'am Inday. Baday. Thank you.
Hello, shout out dyan, Ma'am Inday, Badiday, ang aming dancing queen.
Kahit hindi gwapo, kahit hindi matalino, basta't siya'y may puso, siya pa rin ay gugustuhin ko. Hindi kinakailangan masunurin sa magulang, basta't siya'y magalang at mapagkakatiwalaan. Kahit hindi gwapo, kahit hindi matalino, basta't siya'y may puso, siya pa rin ay gugustuhin ko. Umiinom man ng marami, kahit na ba bali-bali, basta't hindi lasinggo. Umiinom pero di lasinggo, kahit hindi gwapo, kahit na di matalino, basta't siya'y may puso, siya pa rin ay gugustuhin ko. Manuntok man ang tao, basta ba nasa katwirang ito, manapak man ang gago, basta hindi masagulero. Kahit hindi gwapo, kahit hindi matalino, basta't siya'y may puso, siya pa rin ay gugustuhin ko.
Thank you, Ma'am Maria Lourdes. Thank you sa patala, ma'am.
Ayaw ko sa sobrang maginoo, dahil baka ako ay mabato. Ang tipo kong lalaki, ang tipo kong lalaki, ang tipo kong lalaki, medyo bastos. Maginoo, pero medyo bastos. Maginoo, pero medyo bastos. Maginoo, pero medyo bastos.
Ayan. Thank you so much. Go. Nakaluto na almusal, kain tayo. Thank you. Enjoy. Anong ulam, maybe?
Pero hindi mo pa sinubo, ha? Gusto mo akyat? Walang bawal kainan.
Sige na. Thank you.
Oh,
Ikaw
ako
na.
ba?
Thank you so much, Mikey. Thank you.
Kala ko. Sige. Okay, lahat.
Nalubat si Inventor, nag-charge namin. Thank you.
Nalumpat agad? Uwe. Kala ko naka-dextrose na yan. Nasa ulap ba ang iyong mga mata? Tila malayo ang iyong pagtingala. Akay ko lamang na ika'y pangitiin. Ito'y aking lambing. Subok na ang aking pag-ibig. Ikaw lamang sa buong daigdig. Tinitibok ng puso ko'y tingkid. Sumama ka na sa'kin. Ako si Mr. Suave. Oh, grabe. Habulin ng babae. Araw man o gabi. Oo, ako si Mr. Suave. Oh, grabe. Hayop kong bumiskarte. Wala silang masabi. Kaya't huwag ka nang malungkot. Problema iba sa limot. Pagkat nandito lang ako, umiibig sa'yo. Hoy, 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 hoy. 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 At kung kailangan na ika'y paligayahin, huwag mag-alinlangan na ika'y lumapit sa'kin. Hatid sa'tin ng swabing kong bigote, ang smooth-smooth na kilite. Pagkat ako si Mr. Suave. Oh, grabe. Habulin ng babae. Araw man o gabi. Hoy, oh, Mr. Suave. Oh, grabe. Ayaw kong dumiskarte. Wala silang masabi. Hoy, 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 hoy. Hoy, wag ka maingay. Hoy, 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 hoy. Ang ingay mo. Hoy, 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 hoy. Sabi na nga, wag ka maingay. Hoy, 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 hoy. Ho, ho, hoy, ho, ho, hoy. Ho, 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 hoy. Shout out sa ating pinakabayaman sa Team Habol 2023. Doña Arlene Piñero. Panyera ko. Hoy, hoy, hoy. Hoy, 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 hoy. Hoy, 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 hoy. Ho, 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 hoy. Ayan. Ingay mo.
Background yan. Di ka na marunong maintindihan, may background. Ayaw mo pa, may background ka. Hello, Doña, mi amiga, guapita, senyorita, nga daga ng kwarta sa bulsa. Ma'am Marlene Piñero, pautang.
Could you tell?
Ayan, guys. The song is Hello, shout out sa lahat. Shout out.
Jose Boy Lion. Shout out dyan, Jose Boy Lion. Salamat sa pagdating.
Ako na po.
At sa ating panyera, Doña Arlene Pinheiro, ang pinakamayaman sa ating Humble 2023. Shout out dyan sa ating Ivy de la Cruz.
Nang inventor.
Ang kambal ng Ivy Inventor ng de la Cruz eh.
Sige na, ako na po.
Thank you. Father of Team Humble 2023. Okay, go, ikaw.
Ayan, this song is for
Wala naman ako
everybody.
na-feel.
Maingay ka kasi eh.
Hindi ka pa kumakanta eh. Okay na yun, may background ingay.
Ayan guys.
O,
this
di ba?
song.
Di, tingnan mo si Arlene, oh, maghilo.
Hello everyone, what's up? I can tell by your eyes that you've probably been crying forever. And the stars and the night don't mean nothing to you. They're a mirror. I don't wanna talk about it, how you broke my heart. If I stay just a little bit longer, if I stay here, won't you listen to my heart? Oh, my heart. If I stand all alone, will the shadow hide the color of my heart? Blow for tears, laugh for the night's fears. Stars in the sky don't mean nothing to you. They're a mirror. Hello, Ma'am Vilma. Good morning. I don't wanna talk about it, how you broke my heart. If I stay here, want you a little bit longer. If I stay here, won't you listen to my heart? Oh, my heart. Good morning, Ma'am Evelyn Laban. Good morning, Ma'am Belma. Ma'am Belma Sultanas Pasigna. I don't want to talk about it, how you broke this old heart. If I stay here just a little bit longer, wala na po ang akong internet. If I say, won't you listen to my heart? Oh, my
Pinutol.
Wala, hindi matapos sa aking kanta. Pinutol sa aking internet. Agoy!
Wala, ipaglalaban ko to. Ang request ni Advisor Evelyn Laban, ipaglalaban ko to. Si Ma'am Ibilin, nagputol ng internet mo kasi may request siya eh.
Hello, Ma'am Farian Les. Good morning.
Wala loud. Shout out dyan, guwapo pa yung Les.
May something talaga ito, oy.
Iwan ko.
Every live natin.
Ayun.
Putol-putol. Ay, thank you so much. Ewan ko ba? Alis na siguro ako dito. Tapos ang tagal pang balik.
Nawala yung net niya sa,
Kuya Seth, good
sa monitor
morning.
niya. Hello, shout out Mayong Buntag, Kuya Seth. Shout out dyan.
Feeling
At
ka.
Ma'am Belma Soltons. Pasig na.
Piling-piling.
Mayong
ko naman
buntag,
ako
ma'am.
kumanta. Yan.
Okay.
Oh, meron na. Help
My
us
daughter is
stay
being treated for
want
leukemia.
to listen
It hit me hard. It did.
to my heart.
Being a girl dad, it
Naka-play
really,
yun, oy.
Oh, my heart.
Hello sa mga founder na magaganda dyan. Hello.
Oh, my heart.
Grabe siya, oy.
Kasalanan ko ba yun? Matagal ka kasi kumanta. Napuntan ka. I don't want to talk about it. How you broke this old heart. If I stay here just a little bit longer, if I stay here, won't you listen to my heart? Oh, my heart. My heart. Oh, my heart. Ayan, thank you. Super busy po, tambay. Thank you, Ma'am Paryalis. Enjoy ka lang, Ma'am Carla. Ayan, salamat. Ayan.
Salamat, Ma'am Parioles.
Sige na, ako pa, ikaw na.
Sige, kantayin natin ito. Nag-request. Minsan lang yan mag-request si ano. Baka aakyat yan. Si Advisor Evelyn Laban. Ano, aakyat ka na?
Ano kaya ang problema talaga nito ang kaibigan?
Iwan ko anong ginawa mo dyan.
Deha,
Ayan, para sa ating advisor, Evelyn Laban. Sa pinaglalaban natin araw-araw.
Gina Yasi, good morning.
Hello, may buntag, Ma'am Gina Yasi. Shout out po. Gina Yasi. Late in the evening, she's wondering what goes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady that's walking around with me. And then she asks me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes and the wonder of it all. It's just that you just don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now. Kanta lang to, ha? And I got an aching head. At masakit talaga ulo ko. So I give her the car kiss. Oh, never. And she helped me to bed. Oh, la la. And then I tell her, you should go on the time. I see my darling. Oh, you were wonderful tonight. Oh, my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Ayan, thank you, thank you. Salamat sa nag-request. Advisor Evelyn Laban.
Basta dalawa na sa'yo, dalawa rin natin.
Ha?
Dalawahin mo muna sa'yo.
Dalawahin ko sa akin. Ha?
Dalawahin mo muna sa'yo, dalawang ngayon sa akin.
Sige.
O, di na mo, no?
Ha?
Di na mo. Dalawahin na nila.
Sige. Kanta tayo. Ala, urahin. Lala. At sana kayo ay gising na para sa tanghulian. Happy Saturday, Pinas! Tuwing sasabit ang dilim, nagkasig ng lagim, mga kaaway ng ating tagapagligtas, lahat sila'y nagsisilabas. Pagsapit ng dilim, wala kang makikita, kundi ang kanilang mga mata. Nananangkatakot, lalo na kung color yellow. Matatakot kahit ang mga multo. Tulong, tulong, sa ulo. Kailangan ko ng tulong mo. Mang Jose, Mang Jose, ang superhero na pwedeng atilahin. Mang Jose, parang si Dimos din. Ngunit pagkatapos ay bigla kang sisingilin. Mang Jose, ano pala nito? Mabilis pala to. Ay, pagano mo? Tuwing sasabit ang dilim, nakahasig na ng lagim, ang mga kaaway ng ating tagapagligtas, lahat sila ay nagsisilabas. Pagsapit ng dilim, wala kang makikita, kundi ang kanilang mga mata na nakakatakot, lalo na kung color yellow. Matatakot lahat kahit ang mga multo. Tulong, tulong, sa ulo. Kailangan ko lang tulong mo. Mang Jose, Mang Jose, ang superhero ng pwedeng atilahin. Mang Jose, parang si Dinose. Ngunit pagkatapos ay bigla kang sisingilin. Mang Jose, ala ka, bigla kang sisingilin. Maniningil ka lang. Okay lang, andyan naman si Evelyn Laban eh. Ipaglalaban natin yung sumisingil. Tulong, tulong, sa ulo. Si Mang Jose, sumisingil pala.
Tulog-tulog na kalbo.
Anong tulog-tulog?
Maaga pa. As 10 pa. Maya.
Mainit. Mainit yung alam niyo. Alam mo ba, mainit ulo ko?
Mainit ang ulo niya. Anong kadahilanan?
Kasi may sunburn. wala kami, padiretso lang kami kahapon eh.
Sunburn
So wala kami dalang mga ano pa tawag nun?
Sunblock.
Sunblock.
Hindi kasi naglagay ng hindi ka naglagay ng
Iba yung plano, iba yung napuntahan.
Yan. Okay na lang din. Ayan guys.
At least na yung mga bata nasiyahan naman.
This song is for birthday. From Laia, thank you.
At least nakalabas sila sa kunting bakasyonan natin.
Yes, mine is not the first heart broken. My eyes are not the first to cry. I'm not the first to know. There's just no getting over you. You know I'm just a fool who's willing to sit around and wait for you. But baby, can't you see there's nothing else for me to do? I'm hopelessly devoted to you. But now there's nowhere to hide. There's a flash, my love aside. I'm out of my head, hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you. Hello, Kuya Sam. My head is saying, fool, forget him. My heart is saying, don't let go. Hold on to the end. That's what I intend to do. Hopelessly devoted to you. But now there's nowhere to hide. Since you pushed my love aside, I'm out of my head, hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, Ma'am Maria Lourdes. Ingat po. Hopelessly devoted to you. Ayan. Hopeless na hopeless. Ayan, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Have you ever seen the rain? Ayan, ito kantayin natin, guys. And this song is for everybody. One king. Someone told me long ago, there's that rain before the storm. I know it's been coming from the time when it's over, so to say. Tell it rain a sunny day. I know, shining down like water. I wanna know, have you wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down in a sunny day. Yeah, yeah. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Ayun! Natapos rin guys. Thank you so much. Hello po ma'am.
Umuulan sa Pilipinas.
Good morning po. Ayan, sana hindi naman grabe ang ulan mo
Maulan
para
daw.
hindi magbaha.
Saan ka nga, Kuya Sip? Wala ka sa Cebu, di ba? Nasa ibang lugar ka?
Have you ever
Wala ka sa Bugo?
seen the rain?
Ayan. Paano ba to? Will you alright? Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you from all around. I will be here, don't you cry. For what's so small, you seem so strong. My heart will hold you, you keep me safe and warm. This bond between us can't be broken. We'll be here, don't you cry. 'Cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. You'll be in my heart. No matter what they say. You'll be in my heart always. Why can't this understand the way we feel? You just don't trust what you can't explain. I know we're different, but between inside us, we're never that different at all. You'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. Don't listen to him, what you don't know. We need each other to have and to hold. This is time I know. I know. When you speak the words, you must be strong. I may not be with you, but you got to hold on. They'll see in time, I know. If you're together, you'll be in my heart. Believe me, you'll be in my heart. I'll be there from this day on, now and forevermore. Oh, you'll be in my heart, no matter what they say. You'll be in my heart, I'll be there always, always. Ayan, ikaw na rin. Ready ka na? Hindi pa.
Di pa.
Yahoo, lakas ulan dito. Quezon City ka pala po, Kuya Sep. Hindi ka pa ready?
Dalawain mo pa, dalawa rin ako.
Sige. Dalaw-dalawa daw kami.
Ayan, thank you dito sa Cavite, lakas, hangin at ulan guys.
Kantahin natin yung hindi kinakanta palagi ba?
Ulan di pa, ulan kaya ano,
Wala na! Yun ang mga lumalabas eh. When I feel the time is right and you're staying by my side, and the love you give to me makes my heart beat. When my fantasies fly away, but my feelings make me stay. I see the fire in your eyes, it makes my heart beat. Do it, we still do it, night and day. My old-time lovers, do it, we still do it anyway. Like there's no other. That's by that's. You're my old-time lover. Skin to skin. Come undone my cover. Yeah, ingat po kayo dyan. Jose Boy Lion. Kuya Sep. Ma'am Arlene Peñero. With my heart full of love, it makes me a turtle and dove. Love the game that we play, night and day. When our love is clear and bright, it's our way to see the light. There's a fire in your heart, night and day. Do it, we still do it, night and day. You're my all-time lover. Do it, we still do it in a way, like there's no other. Touch by touch, you're my all-time lover. Skin to skin, come undone my cover. Ayan. Uy, may bakyo ba? May bakyo daw sa Pinas. Sabi ni Jose Boy Lion. Do it, we still do it, night and day. You're my all-time lover. Do it, we still do it, night and day. Like there's no other. Touch by touch, you're my all-time lover. Skin to skin, come undone my cover. Do it, we still do it, night and day. You're my all-time lover. Ayan, ikaw na.
Si Boy Lion, hello, shout out po sa taing. Shout out sa lahat. Ay, binigay ba yun? Sana hindi man magbaha. Oy, grabe naman talaga yung baha. Dito din sa banda sa New York. Nagbaha din. Tapos dito yung banda din sa Texas. Meron din. Baha, bagyo, ulan lang.
Meron ba?
Ano saan ba? Sa Berkeley. Texas yun. Yan, this song is for everybody. Hello.
Parang matagal ko ito hindi nakita.
night. It's been a year. We met each other here. Here I am, all alone. I started you go on. Hear me crying out to you. You said never, never would I leave. Here tears from me to you, and maybe it will make you hear me. I love you. You didn't feel the same. Though we're apart, you're in my heart. Give me one more chance to make it real. In your dream, you are here. You smile and hold me near. And in my heart, I'll pretend that you are here again. Hear me crying out to you. You said never, never would I leave. Hear a tear from me to you, and maybe it will make you hear me. I love you. You didn't feel the same. Though we're apart, you're in my heart. Give me one more chance to make it Thank you po sa lahat. I love you. You didn't feel the same. Though we're apart, you're in my heart. Give me one more chance to make it real. Give me one more chance to make it real. Ayan, thank you po sa lahat ng nandito sa live view. Wow. Thank you so much. Ayan guys, this song is for everybody. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You take you on whatever land you land on. The earth is just a great thing you can claim. But I know every rock and tree and creature has a life, has a spirit, has a name. You take only people who are people, are the people who look and think like you. But have you walked the footsteps
colors of the wind? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? How high goes synchronous growth? You can cut it down, then you'll never know. And you'll never hear a wolf cry to the bluebird bird. For whether white gold or skin, we need to sing with all the voices of the mountain. We get to paint with all the colors of the wind. You can paint your own dirt still, your own dirt until you can paint with all the colors of the wind. Aboy? Ayan, thank you. Nakadalawa na ba ako?
Tatlo na yun.
Nakadalawa na ba ako?
Tatlo na yun.
Anong tatlo? Sige, pang tatlo.
Peace.
Ayan, the song is for everybody.
Ayaw na lumabas.
Nag-enjoy talaga siya. Sige, ikaw na.
Minsan lang yan eh.
Ikaw na. Nakadalawa ako or isa pa?
Tatlo.
Tatlo mo na siya, uy.
Tanungin mo yung audience dyan pag meron pa. Ayun!
Sige, tatlo.
Dalawa lang eh. Mataas na yung tatlo eh.
Dalawa ka kasi. Okay,
Sometimes I lay down the moon. I thank God I'm breathing. Then I pray don't take me soon. 'Cause I am here for a reason. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So the negativity surround. I know someday they turn around, because all my life I've been waiting for. I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. There'll be no more wars, and our children will play. One day, one day, one day, one day, one day, one day. It's not about win or lose, 'cause we all lose when they pain on the souls, on the innocent blood dreams payment. Keep on moving through the world, it's raging. In this is maze, you can lose your way. It might drive you crazy, but don't let it raise you. No way, no way. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So when the negativity surround, I know someday it turns around. Because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. There'll be no more wars, and our children will play. One day, one day, one day, one day, one day, one day. One day things will change with people the same. Stop with the violence, down with the hate. One day we'll all pray, and I'm proud to be under the same sun, singing songs and rhythm. Oh, whoa, 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 yeah, whoa, yeah. All my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. There'll be no more wars, and the children will play. One day, one day, one day, one day, one day, one day. Oh la la! ano na lang.
Dalawa na ba?
Ha? Hindi kita narinig.
Dalawa na yan.
Oh, hindi naman ako narinig kasi. Oh, lala. Shout out dyan sa ating founder. Ay, hindi yan founder. Shout out sa IB Inventor. IB de la Cruz pala. Shout out po, salamat po, IB de la Cruz. Kung hindi ngayon ang panahon na para sa iyo, huwag mainip dahil ganyan ang buhay sa mundo. Huwag mawawalan ng pag-asa, darating ng ligaya. Ang isipin mo'y may bukas pa na mayroong saya. Habi ko ay hindi hadlang upang tumakas ka. Huwag kang iwas ang nabibigo, dapat na lumaban ka. Ang kailangan mo'y himay ng loob kung mayroong pagsubok man. Ang liwanag ay di magtatagal at muling mamamasdan. Ikot na mundo at hindi lagi bighatid kasawian. Ang pangarap mo ay magkakamtan, basta't malingaw ka lamang. Oh, di ba? At least napaisip din ng 1 minute, 1 seconds. Shout out dyan sa ating viewer, IB de la Cruz. Salamat po sa support. Kung hindi ngayon ang panahon na para sa iyo, huwag mainip dahil ganyan ang buhay sa mundo. Huwag mawawalan ng pag-asa, darating din ng ligaya. Ang isipin mo'y may bukas pa na mayroong saya. Kabigo ay hindi hadlang upang tumakas ka. Huwag iiwas kung nabibigo, dapat na lumaban ka. Ang kailangan mo'y tibay ng loob kung mayroong pagsubok man. Ang liwanag ay di magtatagal at muling mamamasdan. Ikot ng mundo at hindi lagi bighatid kasawian. Ang pangarap mo ay magkakamtan, basta't malingaw ka lamang. Ang kailangan mo'y tibay ng loob kung mayroong pagsubok man. Ang liwanag ay di pagtatagal at muling mamamasdan. Ikot ng mundo at hindi laging bighatid kasawian. Ang pangarap mo ay magkakamtan, basta't malingaw ka lamang. O diba? Ayan, thank you, thank you. Di ba, pag-isa pa yun?
Pag dalawa na, tatuhin mo.
Oo, daya, tatluhin niya sa kanya, magiging 4 yan.
With USA.
Uy, kay. Dalawa naman ito at kuha. Uy, sobraan ka man.
Top
Sige.
Hits Karaoke.
Sige sa. Pagsubok mo'y pawir, parin, tin. Tupak na, anong tin? Tupak, wala akong kilala yan. Sinong Team Tupac na yan? It's never been named until I approve it. Isang pangako'y
Kasi,
tono niya. Bigyan mo ako ng tono.
Hits karaoke.
Ha?
Hindi ko alam.
Parang kabisado ko yung title. Siguro yung unang tono lang. Ano parang maski.
Pagsubok daw sa ni baby. Pagkaturan yung ha.
Ako na. Parang na-remember ko na. Minsan ang isang pangako'y maiambing sa isang kastilyong buhangin. Sakdal rupukat, wag di masaling guguho sa isip ng hangin. Ang alon ng maling pagmamahal ang siyang kalaban niyang mortal. Kapag dalampasigan na hagkan, kakastilyo ay nabubuwan. Kaya't bago natin bigkasin ang pagsintang sumpa sa minumutya, sa diwa't gawa, pag-iisipin natin kung pag-ibig ay wakas. Kahit pa masangan ng landas, minsan dalawang puso'y nagsumpaan, pag-ibig na walang hanggan. Sumpang kastilyong buhangin pala, pag-ibig na pansamantala. Kaya't bago natin bigkasin ang pagsintang sumpa sa minumutya, sa diwa't gawa, pag-isipin natin kung pag-ibig ay wakas. Kahit pa magsangan ng landas, minsan dalawang puso'y nagsumpaan, ang pag-ibig na walang hanggan. Sumpang kastilyong buhangin pala, pagsamantala, luha ang dala. Yan ang pag-ibig na nangyari sa atin. Gumuhong kastilyong buhangin. Woo! Uy, Pande! Kailan ba yung meeting? Akala ko may sinabi ka mag-meeting. PM mo lang ako, kailan? Kung okay kayo mamaya, pwede. Di ba, pangalawa pa yun?
As a small business
Wala, yung lumalabas na lang eh. Kung anong lumabas dyan sa kasunod. Mamaya, anong oras? Alam na ba ng lahat? Mahal, pangako sa iyo Ang pag-ibig ko'y alay sa'yo lamang. Kung kaya giliw dapat mong malaman. Minsan lang kitang iibigin, minsan lang kitang mamahalin. Ang pagmamahal sa'yo'y walang hangganan, dahil lang minsan ay magpakailanman. Minsan lamang sa buhay ko ang isang katulad mo. Ako rin ba'y iniibig mo? Dinggin, puso'y sumasamo, sinusumpa sa'yo. Ikaw ang tanging dalangin ko. Ang pag-ibig ko'y alay sa'yo lamang. Kung kaya giliw dapat mong malaman. Minsan lang kitang iibigin, minsan lang kitang mamahalin. Ang pagmamahal sa'yo'y walang hangganan, dahil lang minsan ay magpakailanman. Minsan lang kitang iibigin, minsan lang kitang mamahalin. Ang pagmamahal sa'yo'y walang hangganan, dahil lang minsan ay magpakailanman. Dahil lang minsan ay magpakailanman. Ayan. Yan, shout out dyan, Josephine Villarreal. Shout out po, salamat sa pagdating, pagdaan. Wala ka pa rin, ano?
Ano ba tayo mo yan? Okay, this one.
Ha?
Nabuya talaga ni Kumpana. Ayan guys. this
Akala ko ako na lang mag-isa dito eh.
one.
Kata dyan, ma'am,
Invite na tayo, guys.
Josephine Villarreal. Good evening po, good morning,
Hi, Ma'am Josephine.
good noon. Uy, content pa rin ng TikTok pag may uwi.
All this time, I know someday you need to find something that you've left behind. close my eyes and paint a wish, hoping you'll remember all this time. All alone, I've no regrets. The sun still shines, the sun still sets, and the heart forgives, the heart forgets. Oh, what will I do now with all this time? Say goodbye, apart we'll make another try. Let's all be sorry if you cry. I'll be crying too. On this day, up si ma'am? Up ka po, ma'am? Pwede po. All this time,
Magsabi ka lang, ma'am, na up ka.
I've no regrets. The sun still shines, the sun still sets, and the heart forgives, the heart
Sige po, sit kita.
forgets. Oh, what will I do
Andito muna ako sa
now
bahay ko.
with all this time? What will I do now with all this time? Ayan, ma'am. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Sit kita message, ma'am.
Ma'am, sino magme-message? Basta? Basta?
Oh.
Ma'am, magme-message po sa'yo si Basta Malingaw. And follow
Hindi.
instructions ka lang. Basta Malingaw.
Si Drix.
Mag-message po sa'yo, ma'am, si Drex Palacio, ma'am. Tapos, follow ka lang sa instruction kasi StreamYard po ang gamit namin. Ayan. Follow instructions ka lang po doon. Tapos, ma-join ka po sa amin. May link po. Ayan, the song is... Hindi ko na lang po. Ano ba itong kanta na to?
Ayan, ma'am, nasin ko na po.
Drex? Hindi ko man alam. No way, hindi ko alam. O, ito tatay. Antahin natin tatay.
Bantayan mo ha, kasi mag-appear si ma'am dyan. Follow instruction lang, ma'am. Alam mo na siguro yan. Shout out dyan sa...
Ayun siya.
Ano ba yung kasi?
Goodness, ay.
Shout out dyan sa... Congratulations, happy 5th monthsary Team Papula.
Sige na.
Great. Masiya. Greetings from Masiyahan 2024. And founder Romy Mail.
Ako,
Yun kasi ang ano, hindi mo na mabasa.
may pangalan pag lalaki na.
Alin magkakatahin ko?
Oo na, pag lalaki na. Tell a soldier's tale. Time. True as it can be.
Walaw po atay.
Living first, then somebody bent unexpectedly. Ikaw.
Just a little change. Small to just the same.
Ever a
Just
surprise, ever as before, and ever just as sure till the sun will rise. Oh, oh.
Wala pa eh.
Ever as the
Just the
same.
same. Ever a surprise. Ever as before. Ever just as sure.
As the sun
Sun
will
will
rise.
Sing ko muna sa
Oh, oh. Tell us all this time. Don't us all the song. Bittersweet and strange. Finding you can change. Learning you were wrong. Certain as the sun, rising in the east, tell us old as time, songs as old as rhyme, beauty and the beast. Tell us old as time, beauty and the beast. Ayan. Wala na siguro. Ayan guys, this song is for birthday. Every now and then I cry. Every night you keep staying on my mind. All my friends say I'll survive. It just takes time. But I don't think time it's gonna heal this broken heart. No, I don't see how it can if it's broken all apart. A million miracles would never stop the pain or put all the pieces together again. Wala na siya. No, I don't think time it's gonna heal
Ba't kayo
this
bumaba?
broken heart. No, I don't see how it can if it's broken all apart. And when you hear this song, I hope that you will see that time won't heal a broken-hearted me. Wag kang, nakita ka na namin ma'am, tapos bumaba ka man. I-accept namin yung ano mo.
Balik ka po.
Every day is just the same, playing games, different lovers, different names. They keep saying I'll survive. It just takes time, but I don't think time it's gonna heal this broken heart. No, I don't see how it can if it's broken all apart. A million miracles could never stop the pain or put all the pieces together again. No, I don't think time has gonna heal this broken heart. No, I don't see how it can if it's broken
okay.
all apart. And when you hear this song, I hope that you will see that time won't heal a broken hearted. Time
Okay, Sin
won't
Pounder.
heal a broken hearted me. Ayan.
Si Pico ata sira.
I've never
Kasi bingin ata.
been to